You won't impress your teacher with this slide. Try this instead. Go to Insert and insert the image you want from your device. Now go to Shapes and insert Rectangle. Give the rectangle a no outline and give it a white fill. Now go to Insert and insert a text box on rectangle. Write the text you want in the text box. Now change the font and size of the text according to your slide. First select the rectangle, then text. Go to Shape Format. Select Merge Shapes and click Combine. Now add additional text if you want. Select the rectangle. Go to Animations. Add Fly and Animation. Click Effect Options and select from left. Then set duration to 2. And here you are done.